Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Top 5 Fridays. Today we're talking about the top 5 things you can do to get your name known. Because let's be real, man, you want people to know you, don't you? I want you to know me. I want people to know people. Like in the world of what it is that anybody does, man, your name is your income, right? Whether people know you at your job, your career, they want to, get a promotion. Like, hey, they better know who you are. If you're like the guy from Office Space back in the corner with a red stapler, nobody knows you, you don't get that promotion, right? Also in the world of speaking and coaching, you want people to know you. Surely you want people to know you at the PTA, right? Everybody wants to be known. That's what we do in society. Look at our world. Social media exists for this purpose. Now, man, how do we get known? That's kind of the question. And the truth is, if you can get known in a way that's good, you don't want to be known for crazy things like some people, Charlie Manson. I don't want to be known for that kind of stuff. That's a little crazy. But don't you want to be known, right? How do we do that? Let's talk about it today because it can make you money. You can make an impact. You can make it influential, kind of impacting someone's life. Like, let's dig in. First thing you got to think about is being clear on your value. Look, if no one knows what you do, no one's going to talk about you. No one's going to come follow you. No one's going to know who you are. There's a lot of people that just start talking and sharing stuff that's honestly regurgitated. That means they watched a bunch of videos and they said, hey, people like that video. I'm going to make the same kind of video with just me in there saying the same thing. But it's no value because that person who said that has a different kind of value. I can do a video right now on how to walk a horse down a path, but you ain't going to listen to me about that. There's no value there, right? I don't know anything about horses walking them down paths. Know your value. Once you know your thing in your creative space that no one can touch or you do better than somebody else, right? Now the next thing, second thing is put it out there. Share that shiz. That's what I literally share that shiz. Because what I mean is put it out to the world so people hear it. There are a lot of people, you might be one of them, with great information inside your head, but it's stuck there and no one knows it's in your head. Share it. I don't care how you share it. I don't care if you go outside in the corner with a megaphone and a soapbox and share that. Maybe don't do that because no one's going to listen to you. At least I wouldn't. But hey, put that thing out somewhere. Like, make sure you share videos, do live streams, post pictures. You got social media. I don't care if you're a thought leader or you just want to share some stuff because you like your breakfast today. Damn it, put it out there. If you bring value to the world, put it out there so people get to know who you are over time. And it's a beautiful thing to do it. Then make sure you reach, in my perspective, reach specific people, right? If you want to be known, talk to a certain group of people. If you don't reach out to certain people, very specific individuals, they're never going to know you're known. Like, they're never going to know you exist. And the second part of that, it's a caveat. I give you a little bit of both, right? Know who you're talking to, but also reach out to the people who scare you to reach out to. I'm talking about the big wigs, the people that you like, you look up to. Go talk to them because here's a cool thing. You bring value. It might be of value to me. You might think, well, I don't got as many followers. I don't have as many people as subscribers. It doesn't matter. You'd find that there's a lot of people I find across the internet that don't have that, but they bring value to my life in a different area. But if I was able to get them to reach out to me, which a lot of people do, and it's great, I've hired people. I've worked with people. I've put people on my podcast. Think about it. If you know your value and you're sharing it, why not reach out to somebody and say, hey, can I get in your podcast and get your message out there more? That's how you get your name known. You share audiences because you know your value. You share and get me to get you on somewhere to share it. That's a big, big one. Now, own a thing. That's 4. Own something. Own your thing that's specific to you that no one can do. Like maybe Top 5 Fridays. Hey, or I used to do Nightly 90s. Or own your word or a message. Mine is make shift happen. The word shift, like, that's my baby, right? So find your thing, own it. Because then what happens is when people like it, community rolls. That's a big piece of it. You create a community around something that you own, and now your name gets known because people are passing it around without you doing all that work. And then the last piece of this is, man, you have to have disgusting consistency. When you share things, don't share it for a day and then maybe a week and I get tired, I don't do it. Man, no one's going to know you if you don't keep the momentum going. Continue to keep putting things out over and over. Is everybody going to like it every day? No, they're not. I wish they would, but they don't all like it. But are people going to eventually start kind of getting a groove? Well, you learn. Yeah, you'll learn. You'll get better. You get more dialed in. And when you get to that point, the consistency becomes this thing where people keep seeing your face. They wonder who you are. They start tuning in like you're probably doing now. And over time, they know who you are. They like you. They love you. Hey, maybe they hire you for something and pay you some money. Who knows? That's what we all hope, right? So that's it. Those are your top 5 ideas, tips, tricks, hacks on how to get your name known.